So here you can see that I'm already inside a Google Meet meeting and I have a few participants joining in. So I can view all those participants from right over here on this side. So what you have as control as a meeting host is to manage the participants as well. That is, you can pin them out, you can mute them, or even remove members. So let's see exactly how we can do that. So over here in this side, you can see that this person right here is muted, and you can tell by the icon that is here. That's the microphone which is crossed out in red. So now you can go over here and see the option for this person. So let's say you want to pin this person out onto the meeting to make it a focus. So you can simply go over onto the side of the character, that is the side of the member, and click on the pin icon. And what happens is that that member is the highlight of the meeting now. So you can simply click on it again and then it gets back just like that. You can also expand this out by clicking on this little arrow right here, and you can pin that out. So same function there. And then over here, you can see that as a host, you can mute others' microphones. So let's say they forgot to turn off their microphone, or it's creating some noise. You can simply click on it and you can see that it says mute Pratik Pradhan for everyone in the call. Only him, that is the member, can unmute themselves. So I'm just going to mute it out, and that person will be muted out just like that right over here. So now you can see that the that member has been muted, and only they will be able to unmute and talk back. So if there's a lot of noise, you have control as a host to just mute members' microphone. And if you want to remove some members for some reason, maybe like a member who's not a part of the meeting entered it and you don't want them to hear out what they say, you can simply go over here and click on remove from meeting. And then what happens is that you can remove the particular member from the call itself, and they'll be kicked out of the meeting. Of course, they'll be able to join back, but you can simply remove them out just like that again if you want to. So that is how you can pin, mute, and remove members from a Google Meet meeting when you're a host. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.